In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks. This process is incredibly useful for managing your financial data and syncing your sales information seamlessly. Let's walk through the steps together, and by the end, you'll be ready to enjoy the benefits of having these two powerful tools working in harmony. To begin, open your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll see a section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on it. This area is essentially a hub for all the applications that can be integrated with QuickBooks, offering a vast array of tools that can make your business operations much more efficient. After clicking on Apps, you'll be taken to another page. Look for the Find Apps tab, which is designed to help you discover additional applications that can enhance your QuickBooks experience. Click on this tab to proceed to the next step in our process. With the Find Apps tab open, it's time to search for Shopify. Simply type Shopify into the search bar, and you'll see a list of related options appear. From these options, locate Shopify Connector by QuickBooks. This specific integration tool is what will allow Shopify and QuickBooks to communicate effectively, sharing data and streamlining your processes. Clicking on Shopify Connector by QuickBooks will take you to a new page dedicated to this app. Here, you can explore all the details about the integration. It's a good idea to take a moment to read through the listed benefits and features. By understanding what this connector offers, you'll be able to maximize the advantages it brings to your business operations. Once you've familiarized yourself with the app details, you'll notice a button labeled Get App Now at the top right corner of the page. By clicking on this button, you're initiating the connection between Shopify and QuickBooks. This involves a simple authentication process where you'll follow any prompts to grant permissions and finalize the link between the two platforms. With that, you've successfully connected Shopify to QuickBooks. This integration provides a seamless way to manage your sales and financial data, ensuring everything stays up to date automatically. Now, you can focus more on growing your business, knowing that your accounting data is accurate and synchronized across both platforms. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore other integrations available in QuickBooks to further enhance your business operations. Stay tuned for more tips and guides, and let's keep your business running smoothly and efficiently.